right, baby. I know you don't want to be out here doing this, but you got 5,000 more steps left, babe. I know you're tired, but guess what? You're going to get some of the best sleep after this, okay? This is light work, okay? You have lost 100 pounds in a year. This is not the hardest exercise you've done before, okay? You better knock this little walk out because I believe in me. I believe in me, and we gonna get it done because we don't have a choice, because we're worthy and we're valuable, and that's it. That's all. Okay? Love you, girl.